I don't know, you got this?
I'm feeling good. I gotta be honest, we don't do a lot of gluing in
I can
middle
see
school.
that.
Come on!
Brad and Amanda both work from a shared home office, but that home office ain't working for them. He's a mining engineer, she's a sleep consultant, and in order to hit pay dirt, I'm gonna build them the office of their dreams.
Okay, so this is it.
Whoa! Oh, this is a big room.
We both work from
Yeah.
home, so we need some help creating an office space where we can both work together, but that also might function as a guest bedroom every now and then.
My business does a lot of virtual consultations over Skype or FaceTime, and right now the background is kind of this. And,
Oh.
and
Well, hello there, old wood panel door.
Yeah, it's really attractive.
Definitely you want to have a background that looks professional, but is not distracting.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, do you want to help out a little bit?
Yeah.
Excellent, then everybody can grab something.
All
We can
right.
start emptying the room and we can get right to work. We are going to do a little DIY project. This is something really simple. So if you want to make your own whiteboards, because you can buy them or make them custom sizes. I'm going to have you guys work on this.
Okay.
You're going to glue these two together, which I'm sure you guys can do.
You'd hope so.
Tell me you guys have that skill.
Yeah,
I think so.
yeah, totally.
Right? You got to get to gluing. If you got any tips at all, I would be more than open to hearing some suggestions so that we could get some more sleep in our house.
First thing is the phone. Okay, so you want to make sure that your nursery or their girls' rooms are really comfortable. So, I mean, I love
Lammy.
nice little lammy, nice comfortable blanket, white noise, anything that's continuous. So we have just the standard static sound. You can also have the ocean, babbling brook. Oh, it really does only get 4 hours of sleep.
Brad and Amanda, are you ready to get to work?
I'm ready to get to work. Let's see it.
I have not been sleeping on the job, I promise you, but I'm gonna sleep well tonight. Let's go.
All right.
Right. Oh my God!
I can't even believe we're still in our house.
First of all, Brad,
Oh.
your desk in your area.
Amazing. Looks incredible. Yeah. I can't wait for work to start tomorrow.
Amanda, let's talk about your
Yes,
section.
I love it. I feel emotional. It's just so calming, and I'm wowed.
So you've got this really nice, kind of fun
absolutely.
background. Not only did you guys ask for this to be a double workspace, but you wanted this space to double as a spare bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
So this in here, boom, 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 boom.
Wow.
Right, this flips over, mattress goes on there. It's all business after this, guys.
This is awesome.
Thank you
Good.
so much.
You're happy?
Yeah. Super happy. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
You're very welcome.
Thank you so
Okay.
much. It's so good. I love it.
Well, you guys enjoy this? And get to work, you two, seriously.
I love it.
We're always under construction. People are like, oh, are you renovating? I'm like, I have been renovating for 25 years, and it's never gonna stop.